Welcome to Roam Tips. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experiences with the service. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Sparklight, found at www.sparklight.com. Sparklight provides internet, TV, and phone services, and I'll be sharing my insights based on my time using their offerings. While your experience might vary, my goal is to give you a detailed overview of what to expect. This will hopefully equip you to decide whether Sparklight is the right fit for your needs. I'll be delving into the specific services they offer, from the various internet speed tiers and data allowances to the channel packages available with their TV service. Additionally, I'll cover their phone service options, including features and pricing. One crucial aspect of any service provider is customer support, so I'll also share my personal interactions with Sparklight's support team, discussing their responsiveness and helpfulness. Beyond the core services, I'll also explore any additional features Sparklight offers, such as equipment rentals, bundled packages, and any current promotions that might be available. This review will include a discussion of the pros and cons of choosing Sparklight based on my experience. I'll highlight what I found particularly beneficial as well as any areas where they could potentially improve. Finally, I'll offer some comparisons with other providers in the market, giving you a broader perspective on where Sparklight stands in the competitive landscape. Understanding pricing is key, so I'll detail the various plans and associated costs, including any hidden fees or additional charges to be aware of. This comprehensive review is designed to provide all the information you need to make an informed decision about choosing Sparklight for your internet, TV, and phone needs. Remember to check the description for helpful links related to the services discussed in this video.